Why do we feel guilty for taking a break? Why do we think if we stop for a while, we have already failed? Breathe. If you've been away, if you feel behind, please stay with me till the end, because this story is for you. For 3 months, nothing happened. No posts, no updates, no progress anyone could see. But inside, everything felt heavy. You wanted to continue, but something held you back. Maybe it was tiredness, maybe doubt, maybe life itself. At first, you told yourself, I'll restart tomorrow. But tomorrow became next week, then next month. And slowly, a new feeling came. Guilt. You opened your work again, looked at where you left things, and instead of starting, you closed it, because now it felt bigger, harder, heavier than before. Then one quiet day, something changed. Not outside, inside. You stopped asking, why did I stop? And asked something different. What if I just start again? No big plan, no perfect comeback, just one small step. You sat down, did a little work, and stopped. That was it. But something unexpected happened. That one small step didn't fix everything, but it broke the silence. The next day, you came back again. Still not perfect, still not fast, but present. Slowly, the guilt became lighter. The fear became quieter, and something familiar returned. Momentum. You realized something important. You didn't fail. You paused, and pausing is not the end. Even machines stop to cool down. Even seasons change before they grow again. So why do we expect ourselves to never stop? Your journey didn't disappear. It was waiting for you to come back. And the truth is, you don't need to catch up. You don't need to prove anything. You just need to continue. For where you are, final message. If you've been away, this is your sign. Start small. Start quietly. But start, because progress doesn't need perfection. It needs presence. If this story felt personal, you're not alone. Stay connected with Mindful Momentum. 4 calm stories that help you move forward, even after a pause, seedling.